So this is a quick screencast to show you how to get into the Gimkit classroom. You're going to have to sign up with your student, give an account. I'm going to use my grandson's account. And it's not going to let you log in because you don't have a Gimkit login to actually sign in to Gimkit. We've never done that before. So you just hit, if you see where I was just at, did you see what I did there? I said sign up at the bottom, and there's a little right here, there, sign up. You need to hit that. Okay, so once you hit that, it's going to come back to the screen. It looks exactly the same as what you just did. So you got to do this over again. Now it's going to pop up with a page that looks like this. You want to do student right here, student account. And then you're going to put in all of your information. And you're going to have a parent or guardian verify that account. So I'm just going to put in my email address. You can put in a parent or guardian's email address, because in order for you to sign on, they have to approve that you're allowed to have the account. And then here you are. It should look like this. So you can create your own kits. You can join a game here. Let's see, let's go back. You are actually in and you have a Gimkit account now, and it is going to hold all of your information. There's some news. You can see all the new things that are going on. It looks like Thanos mode is back. So it'll be really cool because we plan on playing, I'm pretty sure we plan on playing Thanos mode on Friday during our whole 7th grade Gimkit. And then you can also collaborate to create kits with other kids and do challenges. So now that this is done, I'm just going to stay here and I'm going to go back to the original login. I don't know that it matters if you click out of those or not. So I'm going to go back to this login. And now I've requested to join Lynx Science, and you will be in my class. That's all there is to it. If you missed something, go back and rewatch. I'm coming back with an addendum. I'm attaching this to the original video. It looks like Thanos mode won't last until next Friday. So it looks like unless we can get them to give us an extension, that we will just be in a normal Gimkit Live. To get that information on Friday, April 3rd, you're going to want to check back onto Google Classroom, and you'll get the times, which are 10:15 and 1:15. You want to come here a little early so that you can get the code and get logged in to the Gimkit. So you will see on your device, whether you play on your phone or here on a computer, you're going to see the entire leaderboard. So you'll see everybody in the game, and you'll be able to see who's doing what in the game, just like you normally would in front of the classroom. So I hope you check back and get into the Gimkit game on Friday.